We all know that when the iPhone screen displays an unavailable message, it is usually due to entering the wrong password multiple times in a row. You need to note that if you fail to enter the passcode correctly after 5 times, the iPhone screen will display unavailable. After that, you will need to wait for the timer to expire before you can retry. And then as you enter more passcodes, the longer the system will be locked. When you enter an incorrect passcode 10 times in a row, iPhone will prohibit you from trying to access iPhone. I prepare you 3 methods to unlock your iPhone without passcode. Let's try the first one. Way 1. Erase iPhone on an available screen. Apple offers us an option to erase the iPhone, but we only can see it on iOS 15.2 or later. Just need tap erase. Then erase iPhone. Then enter your Apple ID passcode. If the screen turns black, don't worry. The Apple logo will appear after a while and the data will be wiped. This option can help us erase all data, including screen passcode. Well, now you can set it up as a new iPhone. Way 2. Restore iPhone. We need to connect iPhone to computer and put it into recovery mode. Press the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the computer icon. Now, let's launch iTunes on your computer. Here is a pop-up of Restore Your iPhone. Here we click Restore. Normally, it can be completed after waiting for more than half an hour. Sometimes, there often occurred some unexpected errors. So if you want a safe and fast way, the following method is more suitable for you. Way 3. Use UltFone Toolkit iOS Screen Unlock. We need to use a powerful toolkit called UltFone Toolkit, so let's launch it. Here we select iOS Screen Unlock. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Okay, go back to iOS Screen Unlock. Hit the Start button. Then Next. According to the prompt, we need put your iPhone into recovery mode. This is the only way to get your computer to recognize a locked device. For iPhone 8 or later, press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Connect to Computer icon appears. Okay, let's go on. Here we download the firmware. Click Start Remove. You can see that it is completed. The startup screen is on your iPhone. It means your iPhone has been unlocked without passcode, just like this. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.